Everyone, Swiss Experiments, Nico here, and today we're gonna be taking a look at something cool. You probably didn't know, or maybe you knew, who knows, that cars nowadays use lasers, freaking lasers, to produce light for the headlights. It is kind of surprising, but yeah, I kind of wanted to test out that idea. So I do have a laser over here, and it's a blue laser. And I kind of wanted to, well, convert that blue laser into white light. So should I buy one on eBay? That's 66 bucks. So how about no? We can instead get a dead spotlight and then see if the phosphor in here does anything at all. And I believe it will do something, because the way they produce white light is by exciting the phosphor over here. So let's see if it can get excited. 1 second. All right, so just so you know, I am wearing protection. These goggles cost me like 150 bucks or so, but without these, you're going blind. So don't try this at home if you don't wear protection. All right, let's turn on the laser. Let's see what happens. And there we have it. I have it set at about 400 or 500 milliwatts. This is milliamps, but more or less 1-to-1. The laser, I think you can get it for like 20 bucks on eBay. Well, let's shine it on the phosphor and see what happens. And look at that. That's a lot of light. Now well, was it even showing? Probably not. Let's do it again. A lot of light. That's almost blinding, even though I have goggles on, because these goggles are supposed to to block blue light, not all light. So let me see if I can shine it this way. And so you should only see kind of like the reflection. All right, that's it. Now let me turn off the light entirely and see if there's any difference. All right, no more light. It should be way more blue now. Turning it on. All right, and shining it on the phosphor. And that is some light. And again, like this. It is very visible. It excites it a lot. Well, that is an interesting finding. I don't know if it has any uses at all, but it is a pretty cool experiment you can do yourself. Do it yourself, basically, if you have a dead light, or even a working one, I guess. But anyways, and a blue laser. Not many of you out there doing these kind of weird experiments, so well, thought I'd do it for you, so you can sit back, relax, and just watch it. All right, and that was it. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye bye.